Let's learn how to divide the number 410 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the first two digits. That is the number 41. From the multiplication table of 5, we know that 5 times 8 is 40. And this 40 is closer to 41. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 410 divided by 5 is equal to 82. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.